Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to link/unlink a gelato to Etsy. First, go to your web browser and search for gelato. Now open the first link to visit the official website. Once on the site, click the Gelato Connect tab and select Gelato Connect in the drop down. You should sign into your account, so head back to the homepage. Here, click sign up for free in the top right corner. You can continue with different accounts such as Google and choose an account to sign in. By continuing, Google will share your details with Gelato. Next, select your goal with Gelato and the yearly revenue of your e-commerce store. Then select the source when you hear about it, accept the API user terms, and click Finish. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your account. Here, click the Store tab on the left side of the screen. You can directly integrate into Etsy from these options. Next, navigate to the Etsy website and click the Sign In button. You can continue with your Google, so select your Google account and click Continue. Head back to Gelato and click the Etsy store. It'll ask permission for access, then click Grant Access. It'll be now linked with Gelato. Similarly, you can unlink using the same method. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.